Wagwan ENT.
They don't stay on. It's the water get old without a cause. I don't wanna perish like a fading rose. Used to like diamonds and sand. Stone love they forever. So many advantages could have happened today. So many songs people gonna play. So many dreams when you're out in the cold. Living forever, forever young. I wanna be forever young. And stone love is gonna play forever, forever and ever, forever young.
We tell them, me a la, she wanna lengo, stone love again. One rude boy, give them pay problem when you bad so. She wanna leng, who to be again.
Alright, Buju Banton. You know, enough Buju Banton left to play a little more still. But earlier on, a Super D selector make a statement. Say, him having gun pan him, and to him having gun pan him nah pet nobody sin, and him play one tune say, we are rude boy and we no powder nobody sin. No massive, I want you to listen to tune careful. No cancer release it.
Yo, this a stone love sound, and we not play no ease up on a
Eat that tune now.
So I do, stand a high.
Listen careful.
Nani iti woy,
Hear this.
nani iti woy,
Yes.
nani iti woy.
Say you want a bad sound, you want a bad sound. Tonight you want that sound.
Yes, you want some man Super D.
Yo, this a stone love sound, and we not play no ease up on a DVD sound, boy.
Now, Mr. Agas in the house, so yourself safe. How we are, do ya?
Nani iti woy, nani iti woy, nani iti woy, nani iti woy, nani iti woy.
Shiba!
Say you want a bad sound, you want a bad sound. Tonight you want that sound. Don't nobody champion.
All wrong, this is big of a self safe here is Willie Agas, Bogle.
Nani iti woy, yeah. Diddle woy, nani iti woy. See, pick up what up today, then you want play stone love. Before you know it, son boy, you're lying on the ground. Nothing constructive to play tonight. Today you live, tonight you die. Stone boy, bye bye. Nani iti woy. See, say you want a bad sound, you want a bad sound. Tonight you want that sound. Stone love are the champion, stone love are the champion. You have to understand, man. Oh yeah. Starting, ahoy. Yeah. Diddle ya woy, nani iti woy. Yeah. Look how we live among each other, yeah. Don't boy, you wanna live the wrong way. Yeah, that's one love in the dance tonight. I said pick up your box and run. Stone lover come, stand out the high. Say you are a bad sound, you are a bad sound. Tonight you want that sound. Stone lover the champion, stone lover the champion. You have to understand, man. Oh yeah, nani iti woy, yeah. Diddle woy, nani iti woy.
All right, there's some Michael Rose. Now, Mr. Leroy Smart, come in.
Ah yeah,
Hear this.
so much about sound. Stone love and the champion. Some are talk about sound. Stone Love and the number one. Some are talk about sound. Stone Love and the Dan. Also on said class. A lot of guys get jealous. Choose Stone Love in the top class.
Two to go. Getting Super D.
Some this and miss, and them always get turned over. Some are talk about sound. Stone Love and the winner. Some are talk about sound. Stone Love and the champion. Answer on send class. A lot of guys get jealous. Choose Stone Love in the top class. Who the cap fit, them better wear it. Cause we no response. Stone Love no partial. And him not take back no chat. Some are talk about sound. Stone Love.
Alright, Leroy Smart. Now PP. Mr. Admiral Bailey. A girl picnic time now, so come in here.
Stone Love again, man. Oh God! We don't worry. Worry don't you hear me now? Send them a fight. Over your pony, the man them a war. Over your pony, tell them a fight. Over your pony, the man them a war. Over your pony, tell you put on it. And me come.
See Admiral. Mr. Bailey. Yes. Smart.
You a celebrity.
Now promoter, check Google, the bartender announcing. Yep, gone to big up.
The country, watch out the girl them a water pumpy. Watch out the girl them a cool and deadly. Gin and Sharon and the girl called Susie. Come a stool for a short panty. Girl skin out, me see your punny. I make them know say you, yeah you me. Say them a fight. Over your punny, the man them a war. Over your punny, girl them a fight. Over your punny, the man them a war. Over your, yeah you me. I
just Stone Love girl them cry underneath it now, Papa. Watch this. I just Stone Love girl and
final one. Then Super D.
I just Stone Love girl under it. Cabra me go kill them with the because no blue bomber, no blue bass, carbolic and no Protex. Could they know no locks and no my legs. And them not distress, the refresh it up, rat out. Put it in a panty, yes it up, rat out. Stone Love girls a skin out, rat out. Cabra on the mic and the snake come shock out. Cabra wicked without a doubt and see then no mad, Cabra come again. Me come here so fi Stone Love girl them. Me nah your man, the girl children. Work the long jack.
Alright, Mr. Cobra now, Super D coming. Everybody in the work, I eat food. Saying, he use a copycat. For real. Saying, so originality is just originality. And that stand predominantly over the years. See? So in the meantime, when you go and look for that, we just make it, give it the opportunity to play it. See? Oh, hear this.
And we bring down live in Stone Love Sound. Little Kirk. All the girls them stays and sing. Hear this. Stone Love give it the sun, the rain, moon, the stars in the mountain. Stone Love will give you the world and all that you've been for and even more. Stone Love, I love you more than you can know. Run it, son boy.
All right, things are going. Play your Ninja Man, you're 89 Ninja Man. Because you want to counteract Stone Love 92 Ninja Man, see? You understand? So you play it, and you're going to play 92 Ninja Man them now.
Stone Love give it the sun, the rain, the moon, the stars in the mountain. Stone Love will give you the world.
Nitty gritty.
No, hear this. Everything was Stone Love now. The sound boy them follow. So I want so to come follow Stone Love now, cause this is nitty gritty. When we talk about nitty gritty, original nitty gritty. Sound boy the place your bumper bus. Come in nitty gritty.
Yeah. Stone Love rule, man. Every time. Hey,
Come again.
Keep them.
Take it from the top.
Keep them.
All them nitty-gritty, I want a man follow them, see? I want you listen it. See, and don't
Now
beg.
hear this. Everything was Stone Love now. The sound boy them follow. So I want so to come follow Stone Love now, cause this is nitty-gritty. When we talk about nitty-gritty, original nitty-gritty, sound boy them plays your bumper.
Now, massive. See, selector over there, so what's Super D, see? My search with Ninja Man. We are say 89, see? Well, alright. We never about play that. We never about play that nitty-gritty today. 1992. Ninja Man coming up for you now. See? Right? 1992. Right? That things out for you, man. A man same rule. Ninja Man. Watch out. This is just one of them. Let's listen to this, man. See? Right. Listen, man.
Stand, please. Now this court adjourned. Stand, please. Now this court resume in session. Oh yeah, all my person who have nothing to do, I say in this court of petty session. Come before his present master soul of and
Booger!
They are playing nothing but slap tie the music and trying to do malice to you, them brains. Bam! I found you guilty of trying to play nothing but bad word tune in the dancers. Bam! Watch a man. I found you guilty of trying to tell you them must put on them gun when they know it's time for man bust shot under people's skin. Me not go dead with me gun in me hand because me gun no fire water. Stone Love tell them say me not go dead with me gun in me hand. Stand please. Now this court adjourned. Stand please. Now this court resume in session. Oh yeah, all my person who have nothing to do, I say in this court of petty session. Come before his present master Stone Love and say it. Bam! I found you guilty of playing nothing but slap tie the music and trying to do malice to you, them brains. Bam! I found you guilty of trying to play nothing but bad word tune in the dancers. Bam! Watch a man. I found you guilty of trying to tell you them must put on them gun when they know it's time for man bust shot under people's skin. Me not go dead with me gun in me hand because me gun no fire water. Stone Love tell them say me not go dead with me gun in me hand because me gun. Watch out, yeah. 42 gun salute, face Stone Love and the gunman them. Jesus Christ. 42 gun salute, face Stone Love and the gunman them. Watch out, man. After me find them guilty, and me find the boy I go on like him want kill people and hold him and we shot him and murder him. You tell them. When we carry my court and when we get the death sentence, we say, before you die, my friend, seek the Lord, reach out and touch him now, and believe in his words. Yeah, you black people, confess to no sin to Stone Love. Stone Love, I go murder them sound. Before you die, seek the Lord. You ever tell the Lord point and say, yeah, me watch out. Me why you reverse, yes, make we put in the dead. Long time we kill this, you know. Me tell them reverse, yes, make we put in the dead. Stone Love no ramp when it a lick up. Watch out, man. Make me tell you something like a that. Go meet your grandfather, we round the back. Go and go ask your grandfather that if the one piece of land have no funeral spot. When me come, me no kin teeth and chat. Get your read them people punk up for top. Watch out, man, look here. About the 2 gun salute. We only can bust this own boy head. Cheese.
Now you see me when me enter a counteraction scene. I'm gonna say boy culture. I say before ranking Joe, see? When me now run them wrist, see? Me not say 2 of them used to work together and Joe gives you the see? So what's the rise?
I came, I saw, I conquer. I'm not the first, not the last, but Stone Love sound, tequila sound, and pretty nerves. This is a combination no sound ever can play. This sounds like Ranking Joe along the man called culture. Step up culture. And Stone Love sound. See?
I saw it a go. I saw it a go. I saw it a go, and I saw it a go because Stone Love run things from all them time. Hear this. Somewhere you jump out a frying pan, jump in a fire.
Hear that?
Somewhere you jump out a frying pan, jump in a fire. Where have you said, Joe?
Because of fire, they are some boy feel him think a cool breeze. Bang diddle diddle diddle. What? Because of fire, they are some boy feel him think a cool breeze. Bang diddle 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 diddle. Because you jump out a frying pan. Now me say you drop in a stone love fire. Bow! Say you jump out a frying pan. Some boy say you drop in a stone love fire.
For anyway you see stone love, embrace your shot.
Hear that?
And anyway you see stone love, embrace your shot. Morning or evening Christ. And anyway you see stone love, embrace your shot. And anyway you see stone love, embrace your shot. Rubber Dub Master, come back, Joe.
Hear that? We a go bust them shot, we a go bust them shot. Tommy say bust them shot, we a go bust them shot. Tommy say boom, bap, bap. We a go bust them shot. Bang diddle diddle. Come me say one by one, we say we kill some boy. Me say two boy, two say we kill some boy. Cause one of them come, them couldn't live it up. Two of them come, them have to give it up. Three of them come, them couldn't live it up. Step is so love, and me say step is so love. Yes, I so love, I must sing rubber dub.
I want a li bam bam ba eh. Stone love in a big clash. What a li bam bam ba eh.
Hear that?
Stone love in a big clash. Stone love see them a come. My try fi conquer you. Stone love see them a come. I them a try fi conquer you. Come back to it.
Ain't the maid down go, baby, me downstairs. Sounds cost down now, this is how we lead the way. Wow, one King Joe, one the man culture. Ain't a no sound could I never play this. I wanna just pull over the danger. Bang diddle diddle, them alley can't turn over. Wow, cause them
Right. Horticulture, Rankin Joe, them two men used to work together. Joe Gibbs never seen. Watch it. Hear
If
it.
you don't want to be a general, well you must be a criminal. So hear this. Criminal, I go a funeral, stand on high. Ding ding da da high. Ding 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 da da high. Nani chingboy, nani chingboy, nani chingboy. General, soon love sound and the general. See, we are the general.
All I'm full, I guess you know what by now, see.
If you don't want to be a general, well you must be a criminal.
Right.
So hear this. Criminal, I go a funeral, stand on high. Ding ding da da high. Ding 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 da da high. Nani chingboy, nani chingboy, nani chingboy. General, soon love sound and the general. See, we are the general. I miss a funeral. Now go and sound boy burial. Stand on, now go no burial. See, down in the dance, we are turn on the heat tonight. It's like a oven baking for 2,000 years, years without years. When the morning comes, the some boy I run up and down. Play stone love last night and get chewed down. Stand on, I said the general, stone love sound and the general, and we are the general. See, general, now go and sound boy burial. Stand on, now go no burial. And time when time goes by, every night we kill a sound boy. Them can't let the shame, the disgrace in the place. That ain't him boy. Hi, that ain't him boy. You see, every time them claim say them want that stone love, and them get them chest kick out like a moving lightning bubble up. Stand on, standing boy, standing boy, standing boy.
Out to Michael Wolting, General Sullivan, General Sound, a massive kid says.
Well, Stone Love, I want to know what am I going to be stopping next year and the other year to come. With them being a lyric smart, we have to throw some boy must run. Now this is a bunch of band of the lyrical tongue we good can't done. Now all of us follow Stone Love, who know and appreciate good tune. This is the Dan of all dance, lyric smart. 2 years, man. Stone Love International, Weepo, Rory, Cancer. Now we're going to say, Mr. Smart, step up. And Stone Love sound.
Oh, mercy.
Immortal.
Oh Lord. When I was a boy, I used to say, without Stone Love, you just can't go on. Now that I'm a man, I get to understand, without Stone Love, you just can't go on. If I should hate any other sound and forgive them, your sound I know I never forget. You do us the same thing over and over, and now you won't come talk about you a champion. You've got no pride, you've got no mind, you've got no shame and ambition. Stone Love is the champion. Oh Lord, hear this. Every time a sound boy you play against Stone Love, them a joke yard. Every time a sound boy play against the champion, them a play hard. A sound boy, badness no pay. All you mean? And the truth boy, Stone Love on the go. Stone Love sound it not ever no go slow. Stone Love sound is the champion, yes we know.
Unlike Sadie to the gate now, that's Sadie to the gate now.
Used to lick Charlie's cook items two together. Play football and cricket as one brother. The two you rest a jungle, and you might black a rima. You are go fight against your brother. That no right, sound boy, no. Stone Love is the champion, you better know. When I was a boy, I used to say, without Stone Love, you just can't go on. Now that I'm a man, I get to understand, Stone Love is still ruling.
Every time massive.
We're no cowboys. So son boy, don't be afraid of the hanging tree. You know that in time Stone Love come on the turf. It's scalping time. Make way for the Apache. Current time we come and do things different, man. Tomorrow morning find a body, man. Don't you pass a line. Don't you pass a line. Don't you pass a line. Enemies, hey, cause Stone Love, why the whole place is booby chop. Me all a enemies, but Stone Love bad.
From the man them a see, woman fi bossy. Cause the man be loving and every man want it. From the man them a see, woman fi bossy. Cause them have the loving and every man want it. Man able drink out under punani, and no woman able drink out under money. Till them say good friend is better than pocket money, but fi me friend no better than me gal punani. So me tell a man say him fi pay down money. Him can go give the gal the whole of him money. And now black squalor dig out him belly. If you live in your house rapidly with your girlfriend and she have a baby, you have to take care of her necessity. If you take care of panty, necessity. If you take care of clothes, necessity. If you care of your baby,
Muscle City. And a man a fight out them fi pay down money. From the man them a see, woman fi bossy. Cause them have the loving and every man want it. From the man them a see, woman fi bossy. Cause them have the loving and every man want it. I join my friend, I join my company. But when it touch 12 o'clock, and me coulda ride me. Me elbow me friend and knock him out badly. And can't to me woman can ride her steady. From the man them a see, woman fi bossy. Cause them have the loving.
Watch me now. Come now. Gun we carry, we no walk with knife. Carry we gun, we take a Dee Sound live. Gun we carry, we no walk with knife. The stone love sound, I go take a sound like gunshot. For all of the batty boy, them gunshot. For all of the lesbian, them gunshot. For the idiot sound boy, them gunshot. Who no like with them, for the gunshot. Say stone love you redder than red gunshot. Kill them dead man before them spread gunshot. The wicked man dreader than dread, me I tell you. Gun we carry, we no walk with knife. Carry we gun,
wicked man, Captain Barky.
we carry, we no walk with knife. Come down, Captain Marky, come take a sound life. Yeah, we a gunman, and we no afraid to tell a gas that we will take out. We gonna just padam pam. We a gunman, and we no afraid to show a gas that we will take out. We gonna just padam pam. See a dash a belly girl, then a padam pam. Girl we borrow people clothes, then a padam pam. Girl we sleep on sidewalk, then a padam pam. Girl we dash we belly, you know a padam pam. Girl we take people man, then a padam pam. Girl I take them other man, then a.
Alright, Captain Banky, we come on now, Mr. Bonnet coming.
Gun and drop a slave, you mad. That's what I'm to the gun panty. The boy drop a sleep on it with pan him waist like him a free base. The girl go call the police to come deal with the case. Watch you now. I got your talk about we get robbed. Watch it.
No, clap
I know
away.
this size of the gun, but oh you use it. Bring it. Get stone love man, them we boss it. I know the size of the.
Alright, one more time, Mr. Bonnet now. Clap away in order, Gemini, pick up yourself, safe here, sin. Yeah, to continue one more time and sound the voice.
I got your talk about them a bad boy, a bad stomach, them a the calf gun and drop a slave, you mad. That's what I'm to the gun panty. The boy drop a sleep on it with pan him waist like him a free base. The girl go call the police to come deal with the case. Watch you now. I got your talk about we get robbed. Watch it. No! I know the size of the gun, but oh you use it. Bring it. Get stone love man, them we boss it. I know the size of the gun, but oh you use it. Bring it. Get pan it, me say, me we boss it. Watch ya. Also we stay, also we turn. Make we hear your shout gun in a hand. Also we stay, also we turn. Stone love man, me say them a gonna hand. Get me pull up the gun, plant it and stone love we can't see it. The boy want a wisdom, a Colgate a rich cavity. Pull up the gun, plant it, pan it me can't see it. The boy want a wisdom, a Colgate a rich. Fi clean up the gun, plant it. If a special stone love man want it. Fi clean up the gun, plant it. If a matic stone love man want it. Fi clean up the gun, plant it. If I was it, panet me want it, get the feet. Boy, when you drop a slit, get the feet. The one house a gun, we can't sit. Size of the gun, but oh you use it. Bring it, get
really
man, them we bust it. Under the size of the gun, but oh you use it. Bring it, get jungle man, me said them we bust it. Under the size of the gun, but oh you use it. Bring it, get spanglers, me said them we bust it. Under the size of the gun, but oh.
Alright, Bonnet. Now, if you don't like Batty Man, just put up your hand in the air and say pram sin. Let's see into Bonnet one more time.
All of the original Stone Love, Dan Gag and Rude Boy them. When I take on the talk and all of the sophisticated girl and you have some boy like them sound boy, but so with them Rude Boy face and Batty Man up. Can't come a Stone Love dance pan them case again, man. Watch out now where we are, we tell the boy them say, Lord of His mercy. Watch ya, watch ya, watch ya. Me and a oh, never sex no bottom. Well up on no one in the ear like a gun. Stone Love man them not sex no bottom. Well up on no one in the ear like a gun. Have them rude boy face and Batty Man heart. Lick shop on a sound boy a them we attack. Rude boy face and Batty Man heart. Lick shop on a sound boy a them we attack. No man bad down we can't stop talk. Me mind I know me dream and talk. That's when me and the girl them could
Say last year I know, say Ochi man them centers be man them not like no batty man. Say I say into back inside the fucking say
all of the original Stone Love, Dan Gag and Root Boy them. When I take man to talk and all of the sophisticated girl and you have some boy like them sound boy, but so with them Root Boy face and batty man off. Can't come a Stone Love dance panel case again, man. Watch out now where we are going to tell boy them say, Lord of His mercy. Watch ya, watch ya, watch ya. Me and a oh, never sex, no bottom. Wall up on no one in a day like a gun. Stone Love man, them not sex, no bottom. Wall up on no one in a day like a gun. And them good boy face somebody man hard. Lick shop on a sound boy, ya them we attack. Rude boy face somebody man hard. Lick shop on a sound boy, ya them we attack. Love a man bad and we can't stop talk. Them in my mind I know me dream and thought. That's when me and the girl them coulda never really part. When you see the batty boy them apart, shot them in them face and stab them in them heart. With them rude boy face and batty man heart. Lick shop and a batty man a them we attack. Rude boy face and batty man heart. Hold up your one and no you me attack. Just hold up your one and you not like batty man and lick two shot you not like batty man and that's how we stay on, that's how we can on. I want to hear it from the Stone Love man. Oh, never fuck no bottom. Hold up on no one in the ear like a gun. Stone Love man, then now sex no bottom. Hold up on no one in the ear like a gun. Put on the pestilence, by me that done. All of us above on we have the big gun. Tell the sound boy there, bring the bomber come. Tell the next one, bring in the one house a gun. Stone Love one, the whole of them, we go shot down Saddam. Stone Love man, nah sex, no bottom. Hold up on no one in the ear like a gun. Jungle.
Alright, Mr. Bonnet. Now you are some girl nowadays. Love borrow them friend clothes. Don't do it here. Some wicked man come in.
You see a gal in your frock, pull up your one and lip blank off of that. Booyaka, see a gal in your shoes, pull up your one and lip blank off of that. Come now! Me say the Dan girl a come down, say she a come down, borrow frock a run down. Say she a run down, Dan girl a come down, say she a come down, borrow frock a run down. Say she, watch this, just pick up your foot in your hand, girl, and make you start run. Cause the owner fit the frock where you have on a comb. Pick up your foot in your hand, girl, and make you start run. The owner fit the shoes where you in a comb. Pick up your foot in your hand, girl, and make you start run. The owner fit the man where you have up a comb. Pick up your foot in your hand, girl, and make you start run. The owner fit the house where you in a comb. You see a girl in your shoes, hold up your one and lip blank off of that. Booyaka, see a gal in your dress. Hold up your one and lip blank off of that. What do you hear me? We ball, it's not right. We borrow friend frock and come a dance all compose in that. Look how hard the man happy work with my girl frock. And yet still you want come and borrow that. You gone in a dance all gone pose in a that. Hit it in a bug wire and tear up that. If you borrow friend frock, excess amount of shot. Booyaka, girl, you fit dress back. Booyaka, you feel leave this a spot. Just hold up your one cause you no borrow friend frock. Jump around, you know, borrow French shoes and hold up your one cause you know, borrow hairstyle and ball it out, you know, borrow nothing. You see a gal in your frock, hold up your one and lip blank off of that. Wanna hear me? You see a gal in your shoes, hold up your one and lip blank off of that. Come now! Me say the Stone Love girl, them no borrow girl frock. The TG girls, them no borrow girl frock. The junglist girls,
right, we come on. Now, right about now, we're about to feature Wicked Butcher Bantamsin. It's brand new, and some of the items may not hear it before, but listen right about now. Now, Butcher Bantan.
all the man besides them, big up on the chest, that Butcher Bantam cry champagne phone. Article cannon from Shoestone to drum. Hear me now. Y'all girl them, you just jump around cause you know you're ever ready. You ball it out cause you're fat and you're proud. Kick out your foot a boy can't knock your body. Shout it out, make them know you are. Tell me who, I said that fat girl not ready. Who say fat girl can't care them body? Tell me who, say that fat girl not ready. Who say fat girl can't care them body? Patsy, Susie, Dorothy and Nancy. Now the low of the music daily. Take a special interest in them beauty. You have to look twice again. You see if a man pretty them look easy, cheesy, nothing no funny. Them no fatty, no clothes, no mention pan, papan, pan the water where the whole of them jam. Them no stop muggle and no stop madman. Tell me who say that fat girl not ready? Who say fat girl can't care them body? People who I say that fat girl not ready? Who say fat girl can't care them body? What we tell them, girl shock out cause you know say you're fabulous. Ball it out cause you're fat and you're fat enough. Kick out your foot, you explode the place, blow up. I make them know say you're doing gravelicious. Tell me who say that fat girl not ready? Who say fat girl can't care them body? People who I say that fat girl not ready? Who say fat girl can't care them body? What we tell them, all them a talk and all them a chat. Me come for defend them and bring them straight to the max. Who are this the man precise? Well them a idiot. Look at the man body big. Look at the man body fat. You have more effort appreciate past part. Every upfront no mention round the back. Some man I take the man them for laughing stock. But to me man got me wow. One way fat. If I come for kill them off and broke. Put your back tell me who. Say that fat girl
put your back down.
Who say fat girl hear them body people who I said that fat girl who say fat girl can't hear them body.
Super.
Listen the way woman you there front. Get it waka and you get it in a hunk. Jump shot out cause you know say you're fabulous. Ball it out cause you're fat and you're fat enough. Kick out your foot cause you're doing gravelicious. I make them know them can't touch you in your stomach. Shabout your back and have the whole place a mash up. And anywhere we go the dance off it. Tell me who say that fat girl not ready? Who say fat girl can't care them body? People who I say that fat girl not ready? Who say fat girl can't care them body? In a New York City you have some man pay. In a England you have some man pay. Have you in a Cayman and to be
Alright, bunch of bands on. Now little Kirk coming. Dance little Lenny.
Boy, roll up a tail. Ya lizard. Come out to the place before you get a shot. Cause we for
Little Lenny for you.
Get that. Oh, name a man. Watch ya. Gun fi boost, point that pan a sound and test that out first. Sound boy the bother get nervous. Gun fi boost, blow the point it pan a sound and test that out first. Now stone love get dangerous. What them be day? When Rory a bust the tar up. What them be day? Now cancer get dangerous. What them be day? When Tico a bust the tar up. What them be day? Now skiller get dangerous. Now the best of sound man don't know the sound plan. No sound of this stone love, not this the one. From a sound this the programming must understand. From rural reach to him waste with intention. To cut the story short, the abbreviation. Gun fi bust, the point that pan a sound and test that out bus. Some one about that get nervous. Gun fi bust, rural point it pan a sound and test that out bus. This stone love sound get rough, me want fi hear. Rory a clean the tar rough, me want fi hear. We pump magnum about me want fi hear. Chico a clean the tar rough. Cause in a business time we don't want no multi bus. So for them be day, when Rory a bust the tar road, for them be day. Now stone love get dangerous, for them be day. When Tico a bust the tar road, for them.
That's quiet. Boy, my little plan bust up. You know I date a girl to take her to Raytown tomorrow. Most of you might not know where is Raytown, a little place down south of Kingston. Where them play holes, what good is every year. I mean every Sunday, right through the year. And I plan to take a girl down tomorrow. You listen to some oldies. What I will already hear it in the dance, play oldies. I'm going to play some myself, so everything that's bust up for tomorrow. Nonetheless, why, I know tomorrow I will feel fuck up, you know, for robbing the Craig, taking away the little baby candy, you know. Well, I hear a little toot saying, I don't mind if you know, that's how I deal with the case. I hear a little toot, but stick it up. Saying,
Oh, hear this, my youth.
One boy in a dance and cry. We put say he must wipe him high.
Hear it!
We say he must be foolish.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Most of you might not know me. My name is Weeper. I don't play sound, you know. I don't play this sound. It's no one then I come out. See? I was born in a record shop underneath a counter. That's why they call me counteraction. See? Well, if a man want counteraction, well, let me see it. You must name Ninja Man. Well, let's have my youth.
Some boy in a dance and cry. We put say he must wipe him high. More we say you must be fool because of the first you are playing in a dance hall. It is no wonder.
So step cross veteran Tootsman for years. Hear this to love.
I want you to know that Stone Love Sound is a year-to-year sound that rules the world. Some playing this and some playing that, but they don't know just way with that. Soon you will find out that Stone Love is the ruling sound. Stone Love by the number
Hear this. Earlier I made some acapella play, see? Watch a acapella. Appear nice with my acapella, see? Anyway, that was that. Later on I can give you the real thing with the real rhythm. Sing. But so we do things different. Now massive. Now what is them things is like fun, see? I've been coming to this place, Circle B. Every so often listen to this and listen to that sound. And everybody come up play them bag of wallies, see? Now massive. Come like man of disrespect the St. Anne's Bay people them sing. Which international artist rules St. Anne's Bay right now? Burning Spear, man, for real, and watch the ride. Hear it! You hear? Watch me now.
None of them come, they couldn't live it.
You hear?
Them come, they couldn't live without. 3 of them come, they couldn't live without. 4 of them come, they couldn't live without. When the sun goes down and we meet the sun, I will call you. The sun goes down and we meet the sun, I will call you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I will call you. No crying, my brother, crying. No crying.
Now our crew, you know, some introductions to the stage, the scene. It's when we come for counteract with us counteract scene. Now I hear a man a while ago play. some counteracts and some counteract Stone Love tune, see? Now all the people in the whole wide world know Stone Love tune them, see? So while I go I hear a man play the ice cream song and no man moves, see? Because what? The people have no Stone Love tune and know that Stone Love play them tune, see? And no matter how much someone want to play with them, play them because we're the original thing for them tune and we just have to draw them, see? So I'm massive and crew. I know no man can't get Shabba right now because Shabba is 20 grand for each tune. So watch the right, so no man can cut them in tune right, you know, see? No man, you just let off.
Stone Love. No ice cream sound.
You hear? Massive.
I don't want no ice cream sound. That is too cold for me.
I want.
I don't want no ice cream sound. That is too soft. You see, hey.
Original.
I want a sound that give me back.
You all know it already, seen, you know, it's Stone of Anthem, seen. Well, early on, I hear somebody play a tune, seen, with Bunny General, seen. Well, no, this was for Bunny General from my article, Bridging for years. And enough man I see Bunny General just now. And Bunny General has power over the years, seen. Enough respect, seen. And I hear a man talk about special. What you see me? We don't play no special talk about only played by Stone of and what have you seen. But here this one's a special because no sound can't draw this one right you know, see? So it's special. And if a man want to get it, man will test Stone Love, get him Rasbrook, bam bam! See? And go 6'6" and pick it up, nitty gritty, come in.
Now big up, and syndicate, Stone Love man, the award sound. I wanna give a go trophy to no sound boy, cause we work for this, we deserve it. Now no student should ever reach a classroom before the teacher.
I hear this. I hear someone talk behind my back, you know, see? Just Stone Love, I play this singer and I say I nitty gritty. Now all them long time dancehall fans sing, and the most one nitty gritty voice sing. I will not deal with no arms those things sing. And the man like Sluggy, I introduce it. Sluggy Wrong.
Now big up,
New York City,
and syndicate, Stone Love man, the award sound. I wanna give a go trophy to no sound boy, cause we work for this, we deserve it. Now no student should ever reach a classroom before the teacher, and Stone Love alone, the original sound teacher. Step across the ticket to fresh from London.
Ayaga yaga yagi, ayaga yaga yo.
Massive.
Good morning, sound boy. Long time Stone Love reacher.
I told you. Original is original. When you play a little camouflage tune, you don't get no power, see?
And syndicate, Stone Love man, the award sound. I wanna give a go trophy to no sound boy, cause we work for this, we deserve it. Now no student should ever reach a classroom before the teacher, and Stone Love alone, the original sound teacher. Step across the ticket to fresh from London.
Ayaga yaga yagi, ayaga yaga yo. Good morning, sound boy. Long time Stone Love reacher. Alright then. Good morning, sound boy. Long time Stone Love reacher. Alright then. Student come a dance, now we learn from the teacher. Stone Love, yes I am the teacher.
Every time, every time. Well, I want to send enough respect for the C4D crew them seen and not speak me up a while ago. So we've been crowned king of the sound system. But there's one thing with not, you know, follow the chart, see? You have to read the chart, man. Stone Love has been awarded with a gold platinum from the Epic recording label and presented by Shabarang scene. The Stone Love gone gold scene, bigger than the king scene. So enough respect to all the supporters over the years who make Stone Love be #1 scene. Anyway, I want to go here, Super D play a tune. Say if a man a batty man in front of me out of my yard. See? Where you see me? I'm not deal with faggot. No batty man can come cross my yard. See? So come my youth, come to Roxton. Every time.
Yes, son boy. I hear you talk about if a man a batty man run him out of your yard. By the way, from beginning with batty man are doing in your yard. You and my friend long time, man. Tell all your dad. Yes, son boy. I hear you talk about if a man a batty man run him out of your yard. By the way, from beginning we batty man a doing in your yard. You and my friend long time, man. Tell all your dog get to know him. Tell him get for sex all your dog and your dog don't bite him. He's a like a batty boy for a long time. Kill them, Rory, kill them. Kill them, swallow, kill them. Jesus Christ, man. May I tell the man you do your swallow through your batty man. Stone love, how you run the country. If you never mix it, but him and them wouldn't come in your yard. Forget his chance, he got sex on your dog.
I told you. Yes, massive. Oh, what a ride.
Yes, son boy. I hear you talk about if a man a batty man run him out of your yard. By the way, from beginning we batty man a doing in your yard. You and my friend long time, man. Tell all your dog get to know him. Tell him get for sex all your dog and your dog don't bite him. He's a like a batty boy for a long time. Kill them, Rory, kill them. Kill them, swallow up, kill them. Jesus Christ, man. May I tell the man you do your swallow up through your batty man. Batty man could never pass. Our gate must have come to the gate. But you hear me? Land of mercy. Stone love, how you run the country. Me tell you what I'm saying. If you never mix it, but him and them wouldn't come in your yard.
You hear?
To get the chance, you got sex on your dog. Mix it, but him and them wouldn't come in your yard. Whoa, to get the sex on your dog. Murder them, and make sure you kill them. Kill them, dance about him and them. Then kill them one by one. Murder them, tell them to change them plan. Fallen, look and sexy Sharon. And yes, you listen, boy, them a wine man. You never mix it, but him and them wouldn't come in your yard, boy. Get the chance, you got sex on your dog. Mix it, but him and them wouldn't come in your yard. Son, boy, they get the chance to sex on your dog. Kill them, stone love, murder them. Kill them, cause of what him and them. Kill them, kill the son man them. Kill them, make them change and plan them. Long time me, you tell them what I want and go long. But all where you want, them don't want no woman.
You to know that Stone Love Stone is a year-to-year song. In a dance and cry, we say must wipe him high. War we say you must be fool because of the first you are playing a dance hall. It is no wonder.
So step cross veteran toots man for years. Hear this Stone Love.
You hear?
I want you to know that Stone Love Sound is a year-to-year sound that moves the world. Some playing this and some playing that, but they don't know just play with that. Soon you will find out that Stone Love is the ruling sound. I know this sound, never travel no sound.
For real?
And if you should travel this sound, he will mash up your jump and change up all your plan. What a bomb, Stone Love number one.
Sample, so Stone Love a sample. On one we take the train line, go straight up back to fish shot people. Like nothing Morgan to because the gun with me
Oh,
a red light and button and
I'm pull and come from the chop scene. Cause after this we go pass a mighty
double make on head man. Stone Love stop rents gun in a fest stand to rent it pound a step. And if a boy go on like you're too tough to see the city gone, man, and we kill people and sit down when them have lunch and dinner, man, we have no nipple backland food over here too. Let's come for the close and a gun mouth come stand up. Play by the number one champion sound all over the world, get the most pass to the most girl. Sound Stone Love International. Sample. So Stone Love a sample. On want we take the train line, go straight up back to fish shot people. Like nothing Morgan too, because the gun when me a rent a red light and button. And if me queasy button, people can't do nothing. So no X amount of people that go dead and rotten. So we a go shot no. Boy jump down in a your coffin, we a go shot no. Lay down for your silk and satin, we a go shot no. Stone Love a wicked something, we a go shot no. Juna Tata kill them too, we a go shot no. You know see red light and button, we a go shot no. Take the train line go back to, we a go shot no. Wicked disease come to, we a go shot no. Everybody start boom, go and go tell them Stone Love and him no rams nor laugh. One of the wicked is gonna knock from out of New York. And Junior cat pan your mic and him attack. Wise and smart of the conscious dark. And poison dart took your right against the heart. Anything try to test me, I might walk. Tell them Stone Love and him no skin up now. Go tell them sample, so Stone Love a sample. On how we take the train line, go straight up back to fish at people. Like nothing Morgan too, because the gun when me a rent a red light and button. And if me queasy button, people can't do nothing. They no X amount of sound that they go dead and rotten. So we a go shot no. Boy jump down in a you can
now hear this. Now cassette man pause. Now hear this.
Alright. Now, you see me, one thing with me, you know. You see me? Me not go round corner, you know. We just deal with the guy straight up to the max. Sin come is a upfront youth. Sin a super D talk about say them is a competitor or what you want to call it. Sin Stone Love #1 and them a try come for Stone Love crown. Sin, you hear what them say? Stone Love #1 and them a try come for Stone Love crown. Boy, hear that tune now. Listen this tune careful.
Sound boy over there, sir. We are
hear this.
I want to pirate. Hear this. Come in, brush one string.
Yes, man. Now big up man like Repo. Saint. Man like Worry. Man like Cancer. Saint. Enough respect to our What's now, people? Ha ha ha.
Great.
Blah 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 blah. No. Don't love on the dance, and they can't get him out. No, no.
Alright. See what I mean.
We originate. I want to pirate. Hear this. Come in, brush one string.
Yes, man. Now big up man like Repo. Saint. Man like Worry. Man like Cancer. Saint. Enough respect to all Stone Love crew. Watch you now, people. Ha ha ha. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Stone Love on the dance, and they can't get him out. No, no. Stone Love on the dance, and they can't get him out. No, no, no.
That's a reality. Now hear this.
Like this. End time plant one dead it shoot. Well, let me tell you, this is the biggest mistake you ever make in your life. You contest Stone Love. Now, Chief, come big up yourself, Papa Cancer Rory. I tell you, it's when it comes to music business, we pound on wrap up. And when it comes to Stone Love a different thing, exclusive business, don't shaggy wonder. Come cross.
Elimination. Stone Love. The all nation. Watch this. All spangler, all bad boy. Oh God. Anything cross the border. Dead. Stone Love. Watch it. String ding 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 ding. Rush them, Stone Love, rush them.
All time people have a sign that goes like this. End time plant one dead it shoot. Well, let me tell you, this is the biggest mistake you ever make in your life. You contest Stone Love. Now, Chief, come big up yourself, Papa Cancer Rory. I tell you, it's when it comes to music business, we pound on wrap up. And when it comes to Stone Love a different thing, exclusive business, don't shaggy wonder. Come cross.
Elimination. Stone Love. The all nation. Watch this. All spangler, all bad boy. Oh God. Anything cross the border. Dead. Stone Love. Watch it. String ding 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 ding. Me bad. Rush them. Stone Love say rush them. Now, dibby dibby sound we a go kill them. In don't take we nothing to eliminate them. Dibby dibby son boy, you no problem. Test the father like a you are eating.
One by one, that's how we shot them. Boom! All Mr. Cancer make him shot them. Boom! Use the Mark 10 and then you shot them. Midnight a slaughter, murder them. One of them conquer them to Eden. So loving at the house, cause we have no problem. DB sound boy, cause we are, they say, that's why we are play a sound boy, we are gonna kill them. Because we kill them in the east, kill them in the west, kill them in the north, kill them in the south. DB sound boy, don't run off your mouth. Come from country, in a country truck. Buck up in a stone love, you know what bad luck. DB sound, you want a problem. Time to test the stone love, you are Eden. Give me Mark 10 and make me shot them. Run come cancer, make we kill them. No. All worry, make him slaughter them. No. On the borderline, we are gonna shot them. Them are iniquity workers, so kill them. Enough of them about cats, so make we slaughter them. Them are Eden, make we murder them. Stone love sound, long time legend. We a keep dance here and there.
Alright, Shaggy Wonder. Now, as you all know, that Stone Love is the original Coxman sound. And we now talk about the Coxman sound that play for man, sin, who love man. We are talking about Coxman for all the sexy body girls and all of the man them who love them girl bad sin. So as you enter, all the sexy females hear this.
Delegate it to all of the girls, when a bar get close.
Check on. Hear this.
You know, so I'm going to tell them, after them, I'm going to have one frack, girl. Ball it out, you have X amount of that. When I'm going to tell them, see that I'm going to have one shoes, girl. Fling out your foot, X amount of that. Now wine, I made the general say, ball it out, you're not afraid of nobody, girl wine. I made the gargan say, fam, hold up your one, your neck full of jewelry. Me notice from one day from you start get trash. All of your friends them out.
The road runners don't love the road. Beep beep. The road runners don't love the road. Big up all the black rose massive, but don't know say original wickedness by the biggest blood clot gonna jam down. Yeah man, when the Dirts man comes 91 poisons, that's hell. Run it. Yeah man, we both cancer and stone love again man. Rory, run this here's my youth. Watch me now.
Yes.
Come now, come now, come now. The road runners stone love the road. Beep beep. The road runners stone love the road. Beep beep. The road runners stone love the road. The runners stone love him at the road runner. Cause you me no massive me say yeah. Stone love him come again and yeah. Son boy you dead. Yeah. Stone love him come again. Stone love him come be run things again. Watch your speech, cause me dog got a beat. Watch your speech a long time, me no clean me gun teeth. Watch your speech, cause dog got a beat. Watch your speech a long time, me no clean me gun. So DB gun bag, you oppose me young lad. It's like you really want me for distress your bad goof. Take out the finger from under your rug. Pussy would like a uno my fish at the pantag. Another lip service and you show me woulda said I woulda really last day. In a cinnapod, and then that two more. Pan your seed bag, Demi, use up the shovel. Them in kneel down slab. Bring back your body.
Watch me, because they come in at the dance with them only and they smell like a sit down where they fly them a swarm. Come in at the dance with them only.
Now God Father we for all and full.
Watch it out. All of the stone of true man.
Man, TK.
You understand? Watch me now. Wanna hear me? That's man TK man. Watch me, because they come in at the dance with them only and they smell like a sit down where they fly them a swarm. Come in at the dance with them only and they smell like a sit down where they fly them a only. Use couscous and use tiger balm. Only. Sharon smell like the one named Dan. Only. You see a mile and smell for them only. It a blow like 51 storms. Say they come in at the dance with them only and they smell like a sit down where they fly them a swarm. Come in at the dance with them only and they smell like a sit down where they watch me. You don't want you want to smell by the dearest perfume. I don't want you want to smell like dead man in that room. I don't want you want to smell like so rotten calalu. You don't want you want to smell. Wanna better use taxi too. Say they come in at the dance.
That's how we say, that's how we turn. Make we see for your gun in your hand. That's how we say, that's how we turn. I want to hear it from the Stone Love gang. Me ball respect to all the gunman them. Gunman alone keep gunman friend. Fire burn, no for the informer them. Informer alone keep informer friend. Me ball respect to Stone Love man them. Them man alone keep gunman friend. Fire burn, no for the sound boy them. Them the boy alone keep informer friend. Show me your company, me tell you who you are. Them friends Stone Love with the big SLR. Sit down for roadside and a eagle. And any boy see with desert eagle. You think no man a take them gun gear, so me no want no man shot you, take it from you. So respect to all the gunman them. Gunman alone keep gunman friend. Fire burn, no for the informer them. Informer alone, what's this now? Me ball, I saw we stay, I saw we turn. Make we see for your gun in your hand. I saw we stay, I saw we turn. Make we see for your gun in your hand. Me ball say, and you shall find junglist man them of the Tech 9 Hawks, and it shall be given. Spanglers man with the big Mac 11. Watch ya, Puss and Dog not have the same love. Big M10
I just press up, Stone Love girl them love up. Press up, and the new kind of. Press up, Stone Love girl them love up. I just press up, and the new kind of. Lie down on your back and know a man say you're rough. Oh, and your body girl then put it up on your back. Fucking your up, and me ready for the work. So me wheel and me wine and me juke and me block. Lie down for the girl, me will long John stand up, rub and shine the blush. I woulda kill her with the walk. 1 o'clock at 2 o'clock, tickle press up. 3 o'clock at 4 o'clock, tickle press up. Stone Love man them know about the walk and we bubble say you say Stone Love because you come from my sister. Anyway you got it up it all and pull up. And you can be like you know why we don't fancy up in the ground into the place like grape. Ya crapper. Lord of mercy. We can still get we must the place to the boy 7. Watch it. Stone Love because you come from my shit up.
Every time.
Anyway you got it up it all and pull up. And you got the title and the gold cup. And when it come to the place you got that enough pan top. Say pan top, pan top, pan top. You know a Stone Love sound we gone pan top. Say pan conk, pan conk, pan conk. You put a 4-5 and you put it pan conk. You put a M10 and you put it pan conk. You put a 3-8 and you put it pan conk. You put a raggadap and you put it pan conk. Say forward we going and we not turn back. We come like a mountain we belong to rock. You know a Stone Love your sister in like a rock. Pan top, pan top, pan top. Say pan top, pan top. Broke out, yes we broke out at the back. Broke out and we gone pan top. Broke out, yes we broke out at the back. Broke out and we gone pan top. We no S, we no Queen, we no Spade, we no Jack. Stone Love sound, yes it's solid like a rock. Forward we go with, we not gonna turn back. When it dance it fast to jam on it, I feel black, I wanna feel. Now when we shuffle and deal, I wanna feel. Now when we shuffle and deal, I wanna feel. Now when we shuffle and deal, I wanna feel. We still shuffle and deal. Drink plenty and eat on Camille. Bend up in the and we bend up the steel. No get up in the bargain, we no get up in the deal. Stone Love sound, yes, we know on your real. So one more gone down, that's what I country. And next sound gone down, that's what I country. 3 more gone down.
One to the respect with the cowboy massive.
And if a girl wanted, come in a Stone Love stuff. About a sex-in ticket and if a sex girl and them dead, nothing no come out. I got sit down on it. And then they John stand up stiff, try if you broke it. And then they John stand up stiff, girl wine. What if you know you can grind, you better bubble. When we a come on the double and then show me where the when you in at the bed, girl pretend like for your life I go and make up your face. Like you a feel me body you through the stone. When up on my body head and if a girl wanted, come in a weep out bed. Well legal, I'm always sexing ticket and if a sex girl and them dead, nothing no come out. I the girl them like if you kill a feel like a windmill. So when you buck them in a bed, young man you better skill. Them a champion jack, them no rampy broke cock. So them wicked in a bed, them a broke off body head, them we broke it. It's too love girl them, me know them we broke it. You check so to a grizzle, the girl them can't broke it. When nigga like put on it, them use it take you broke it. And the tight underneath, them use it take you broke it. The fat till the buff, them use it take you broke it. And the 10 ton of fluff, them use it take you broke it. Broke the stone.
It's a long time job run so on them. If I'm gonna understand, every government of every country must legalize gun to shot 40 man. Why? How the girl them a wine so man them a follow one that theory bumbo. It have to kill with us all I know. And then we born from before we grow. You know, she want the
Yo, this is Stone Love. I'm going to tell us that everything on Shabba is extra-rated. Sex! I love that till I did. When I'm going to kill it. Lord of His mercy. All body boy be dead. Dead be dead. Yeah, why? You see a long time Shabba run so on them. Him a gonna them no understand. Every government have every country. Yeah. Gun to shot party man. Why? How they can them a wine so man? They that here we bump. If I have to kill we that's all I know. I tell we born from before we grow. You the girl enough. She want the cocky with the rim. One way a swing, long underneath till it a fire ring. She want the cocky with the rim. One way a swing, long underneath till it a fire ring. Some man say that them love, and don't know the meaning. If Shabba love you, it a joke you like it. You feel it, it's a great feeling. And when you get it, you know the meaning. Like a the cherry, woman a sing. Like a the bell, the woman a ring.
I hear this. It is security again, see? I know the security run things. On 29-30 car.
Now this is Stone Love. I'm going to tell us that everything on Shabba is extra-rated. Sex! I love that till I did.
Every time.
When I'm going to kill it.
I want all the cowboy massive, just speak up, man.
All party boy be dead. Dead be dead. Yeah, why? You see a long time Shabba run so on. If one of them don't understand. Hey, every government have every country must legalize gun to shot party man. Why? How they can them a wine so man?
Now
from before we grow. You the girl enough. She want the cocky with the rim. One way a swing, long underneath. She want the cocky with the rim. One way a swing, long underneath till the top of the ring. Some man say that them love and don't know them.
Now chicken out and watch you big up.
Like pain, you feel it, it's a great feeling. And when you get it, you know the meaning. Like a the cherry, woman a sing. Like a the bell, the woman a ring. In a film years one, think she a sing, she wanna cocky with the rim. One way a swing, long underneath till it a van a ring. Call the brigade and the steam engine.
Courtney Cole,
Darnell,
last night gone and shit.
She can't laugh nor grin. I go and peel off the whole of your skin. I go and show you the right something. I'm a pin of Vaseline, let me take a maiden. Let me take a maiden, let me damage a virgin. Go on Shabba Rankin at the loving king. Have the cocky with the rim. One way a swing, long underneath till it's a fire ring.
Y'all them all good, and them all ever tight. Two love, y'all and them get the first prize. Y'all them all good, all ever
people song. Put your butt down.
Y'all the good old, y'all the good old where you have. Good old, and that a drive stone love, mother that the good old. Y'all the good old where you have, and the good old. That a Gabriel and mother we have, and that a drive the man and mother we she have. Make man all a rape and robber we she have. Make man all stop serve God that we she have. I try to put your back and man.
So y'all for beg, just skin them out pan your old head.
Put your hands on Capleton.
You think it's too the hard when it's too the murderous way. Capleton, come, this is the hard of the day.
Cry girls, all the good old girls, them watch and was Stone Love man. But you want to Capleton, this is not a special, it's a sample. You tell them say girl pick me. Watch a Stone Love. And them all ever tight. Stone Love, y'all and them get the first fight. Y'all them all good. And them all ever tight. Stone Love, you tell them say good watch. Y'all are the good old. Y'all are the good old where you have. Good old, and that a drive Stone Love, mother are the good old. Y'all are the good old where you have. And the good old, that a drive Capleton, mother we she have. And that a drive the man, them mother we she have. Make man all a rape and robber we she have. Make man all stop serve God that we she have. I try put your pants on man.
So y'all for beg, just skin them out pan your old head. Sink your chan deep and make them real and beg, man for beg. Whenever time you hold them in your bed, cock them up high and sink your head. Just make you put every strand of you from outside your head. Climb up your back and ball like a category. If you don't know the lizard lock, give on the back shot instead. Turn on the eat around the pun on the red. Just skin them out pan your old head. Sink your chan deep and make them real and beg. Whenever time you hold them in your bed, cock them up high and sink. Watch it.
Y'all are the good old. Y'all are the good old where you have. And the good old. And that a tribe weep out. Man, y'all are the good old. Y'all are the good old where you have. Good old. And that Stone Love girl send up when the say good old. Talking about the tight like a knot. I eat you have a ton them and them in a ear. That when they say good old. Talking about the socket in back. No stone up girls. And them a carry that them good old. Talking about the good mind. She up man a dip and a cripple and a blind when you say good old. Talking about the fat killy buff. She come a stone love and a kick up on post. Cause the good old. Y'all the good old where you have. Good old. That a drive stone love man. A the good old. Y'all the good old where you have. A the good old. That a drive the one but no man. They all a jockey and jive. Uno down from right. I'm a pull up on no all a car right. And so uno me a talk to. You come side away you not one good fit you. Some girl want to know how the bastard can done. Full of stamina. Some them want to know how the DJ you can done. Let them really fresh, make them know say me. It's like every man in a 10 furlong me run. Eat a lot of food that me can't drop down. Can't afford this on return. Me use me man blood. I want just tell her so she feel come. Last she woulda end up when the race done run. Hell powder house and go to one time come in it. Bust him 2 bed, foot pop down. Feel a run off a bed. It jump and ground, roll off and relax, reload me shotgun. The next gal come my water must run the one. Oh, good to bands and can't done. Full of stamina from head to the down them want know. Oh, that
want to send up respect for all the 12th Street crew out of Fort Lauderdale, Miami. Say 12th Street massive, big up.
To the dirt, if your body run down, that mean your love flirt. And I want to 10 skill about 9 would you work. Maga and cramp in a blouse and skirt. You coulda big like a buffalo, you can't make me chirp.
Massive.
Expert, as the girl them from Granny Park and Dunkirk, man, no. Oh, good to band and can't done. I in a party boy, eh. Stole up now, promote no nasty man, them off it, eh. I in a party boy, eh. You gonna promote no party man, them off it, eh. 2 man, hug up and a kiss up and a rope up in a head. Hug up and a neck.
Up start! Hear this. You hitting them on top of Batty Boy, tune in and tune in.
A gunshot in the head covered is the stone of a Batty Boy sound. No Batty Boy full of stone love. All the girl them come from put by the right hand. I love when I'm a mom. Hear me now. All the girl them I want to put a gun on. Follow the DJ and sing. Boom bye bye in a Batty Boy head. Stone love now promote no nasty man them off it dead. Boom bye bye in a Batty Boy head. Rude boy now promote no Batty man them off it dead. And a kiss up and a rope up in a bed. Hug up and a head and a up down leg. Send for the matic and the goose instead. Shoot the body work come and we shot them dead. Just look Panda and Sharon and Bev who have the fatness so between the leg. Girl bend back way and accept the peg. And if it really hot you know she still never fled. But some man don't want the panty red. Play body business them love me say boom bye bye in a body boy head. Stole up now promote the body man them boom bye bye in a body boy head. Rude boy now promote the nasty man them happy dead. A woman is the greatest thing. I never put pan in line. Love from the end down to foot bottom. Party man a turn around. Where them get that from? Peter's not for Janet. Peter is for John. Susan is not for Paul. Susan is for Anna. Where the mama clan them get that from? Here come the Jenny and Bojo Bantan Comfy. Jenny you thinking Anna. I me say boom bye bye in a body boy head. Stole up now promote no nasty man them happy dead. Boom bye bye in a body boy head. Rude boy now promote no nasty man them happy dead. Now he not keep it his motion. Keep it his life. Body boy no
get
boom boom Latin at the dance all tonight. Put out him belly make we move him tribal. Beat him to the level. Beat him to the
now the rock phone crew. Big up a sensei. Intentionally.
Stop the pum pum to the left and to the right. In a body business some boy get bright.
Yes.
Love it overnight. But tonight the pussy them me say boom bye bye in a body boy.
Let me hear him say stone love again. Let me tell you about the daddy to the one. The dance dog and salute them, my friend. The people like to listen to stone love move.
92 style. Hear this.
Let sound sweet Jesus Christ, I mean. While Lord just seems very choosy move. A young girl just sit and stamp their feet. Yeah, you stone love. You got the rhythm of the radiator. Dancing to a carburetor. Moving with the dancer. That's why
alright. No man, no have Ninja Man a sing for 92 yet. The father we come talk to them here.
I hear this. Now tender touch. Seeing. Let's check your bridging. The police bridge at the maximum now. Seeing outside. Seeing. So tender touch. Let's check your bridging now. You know the policeman. You look bridging out to the maximum. See? Now run it, Chico.
Brand new Ninja Man.
Yeah, man.
92 style ladies. New York City tune.
Let me hear you say stone love again. Let me tell you about reality to the one. Them my friend look at again. The people like to listen to stone love move. Them say people want worry them select sound sweet. Jesus Christ, I hear me. While others seems very choosy move. A young girl just sit and stamp their feet. Yeah, you me stone love. You got the rhythm of the radiator, dancing to the carburetor, moving with the dancer beat. That's why I know water. Me ball no, the valley man no kill nobody. We are living in a love and in a unity. Me ball no, jungle man no kill nobody. We are living love and in a unity because think about this. Look how them go back in a foolishness. Me tell you not think about this. Look what time? Oh yeah. Listen me ladies and a gentleman. Want the blood to prime minister man. And the leader of opposition. Says to one lover ask them one question. How about to cause so much corruption? Man no fight to the aisle, you know man. Now the flour and the rice, youth man. Where them a pay much pound and much dollars, you know man. 1 pound of rice, $16 a German. And the country a go down in a destruction. Me here man take up the subversive weapon. 2 man a dance good and in a contention. Me
now
man
cut that Ninja Man shot. Now Chico cut that Ninja Man shot. See? Because if you want to hear more of that Ninja Man, you got to come to Kingston this Thursday at the normal every Thursday jam on the traffic stop. Soon to return again. See? Now the Lada driver. Look at the people in Sunflower. See?
Yeah, man. Stole over again, dirty nigga. Yeah, man. Soup is in the market. Beef is in the bone. What don't concern you, dirty nigga? Leave it alone. Yeah. Man. Stole over again, dirty nigga. Yeah, man. Soup is in the market. Beef is in the bone. What don't concern you, dirty nigga? Leave it alone.
In part of the den, Lord Jungle and Raymond Tival every time. Now here's a disco birch. Chico, Rory, Weeper and Cancer. Well, bag every farmer. Who don't care about it, they want no stone of a murderer. Watch this. You wanna know how stone of a big murderer because we killed sound boy and a question after. Wanna know how Rory a big murderer cause him a the best selector in a Jamaica. We have a gun pound way and we are go take it out. And we are go take it out too much in farmer them out. Have a gun pound way and we are go take it out. And we are go take it out too much in farmer them out. In farmer get shot in a the bed than in a them mouth. Tongue fit jump up and brain fit jump out. We are bust the gun and them become shell. We are fire the gun and them a become the shell. Stone of a bossy gun, son boy a become shell. Stone of a bossy gun, son boy a become the shell. Can't hide with gun, else a guy woulda tell. We had the gun big, him head woulda swell, gang go ring. Be with him like the tongue in a bell. We have to kill him and all the mother as well. We are bossy gun and them a become shell. Stone of a bossy gun and them a become shell. We have a gun pound way and we are go take it out. And we are go take it out to much in farmer them out. We gun pound way and we are go take it out. And we are go take it out to much in farmer them out. In farmer fi them fi them fi them. Booyaka booyaka in farmer head. In farmer fi them fi them fi them. Booyaka booyaka in.
Wagwan ENT.